Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a Spicy Hawaiian Burger. Alright, we start this off with a half a cup of ketchup, followed by a half a cup of teriyaki sauce, followed by a clove of garlic, or 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced. So that's 2 cloves of garlic, I misspoke. And then you want 2/3 of a cup of pineapple juice. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to this sauce. And then you want to add a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. Again, if you cannot find chipotle powder, cayenne pepper is perfectly acceptable. And then you want 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. Then you want to whisk this up, and then you want to place it on the stove. And then you want to place it on about medium to medium-low heat, and you want to simmer this for about 10 minutes. After you get it simmered, let it cool down a bit, transfer it to a blender or a food processor, and process the hell out of it. And then pour into a condiment bottle. All right, as you can see, we've got our burger patties on the grill. These are 1/4 pound burger patties, or 4-ounce patties that I flattened using the plate method. Again, something I've shown 10,000 times. And now I'm going to grill up some pineapple rings to go along with our burgers. And again, you want to flip the pineapples fairly frequently. They're going to cook fairly quickly. And if you're wondering seasoning on the burger, this time just went with a simple salt and pepper. That's it. The salt and pepper on the burger. So yeah, let's give these pineapple rings, they'll have a few minutes more. I'll take them off, bring them in the house, and let's get ready to finish up the burgers. The burgers will take about 3 minutes aside. And through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. And for the cheese, I've decided on a slice of white American cheese. Normally, because they're 1/4 pounds, I'm only adding 1 slice. If they were 1/3 or 1/2 pounds, I'd add 2. But because they're 1/4 pounders, 1 slice. Then let's give these a couple of minutes to melt, and then we'll bring them on in the house. Okay, now we got our nicely toasted bun. Again, always toast your buns. Protects the burger a little bit better. Then you want lettuce. As you can see, the patty, and I pressed the pineapple in while the cheese was still warm. It's a nice grilled pineapple ring. A little bit of mayo on the top bun here. The reason you put the lettuce on the bottom bun, if you don't know, is because if you generally put the patty on the bottom bun, it can make the bun really soggy. Also, toasting helps prevent that. Now you want to add some diced up white onion. And then you want to add some pickles. Then you want to add some of that spicy teriyaki sauce we made to the top bun. And then you just want to lay down a couple of strips of bacon, and that's it. That's a Spicy Hawaiian Burger. Done. I actually remember to do the pull apart this time. And look at that. Delicious. So once again, a Spicy Hawaiian Burger. Done.